Make sure you like our videos, make sure you comment, and share our videos. Thanks. Back in a moment.
Two-wheel drive vehicles are more popular and common on the road of America these days than either four-wheel or all-wheel drive vehicles. And of those, front-wheel, two-wheel drive vehicles are also becoming more popular. But there are differences and preferences between front or rear-wheel drive cars and trucks. Wheelzine.com gives some valuable information on this subject. Front-wheel drives make a car push in a straighter line when cornering. This is due to the forward weight distribution. Cars with front-wheel drive tend to be lighter because they transmit the engine force to the wheels in a shorter space. This means those cars are cheaper to make since fewer parts are required in its manufacture. A disadvantage of a four-wheel drive is that it gets loaded with more parts and a lot more weight, so they cost more and use more fuel. Rear-wheel drive cars have their own advantages. These cars have a mounted engine parallel to the body of the vehicle. The power is transferred to the rear wheels with a drive shaft, which allows better balance and handling. Rear-wheel drive also allows for more acceleration from a stop as weight shifts to the rear, pressing the rear tires against the road. Rear-wheel drive cars, though, are not able to give as much traction on wet and slick roads. Thus, it is not as good when driving in rain or snow. If you have any questions about your front or rear-wheel drive cars or want any information about all-wheels or four-wheelers, feel free to ask us.
Welcome to Klahanie Chevron Service Center. They're here to help service all your car and truck service and repair needs. They've been here for a long time and are proud to be servicing the kids and sometimes grandkids of those they serviced years ago. Come in or call and schedule an appointment today.